side blows on the cage, knees, uppercuts. And I backed off. I just pushed him up against the cage, backed off. I missed with the left, right? Out a couple times. I was like, bro, you hit like a truck. I was popping my jab, just keeping there. I won the fight. I couldn't hold it.
Oh, this went to a decision?
I had to stop it.
Oh, really?
When I popped my shoulder last week, my arm went down. I couldn't go. And with that saying I threw a jab, he started going numb. So we in the clinch, I grabbed his right arm. I was holding him. I couldn't feel it. My arm was dead. I just went out the first round. I said, my arm is dead.
Okay, so you guys already stopped and you just told me you couldn't come out.
In the second round.
All right.
I just couldn't do it.
All right. Gotcha.
Boy, out here at the gladiator fight, you know what I'm saying? Went out there, still had an injured shoulder, but I went out there and I still did it. I had my man rocking, everybody in here knows that. If I could have continued, it would have been over. Second round, I'm telling you right now, I had it. That 5150, appreciate the support, you know what I'm saying? Like I said earlier, that 5150, that TNT MMA, towards hybrid jiu-jitsu, it's just all gonna get better. It's all gonna get better. You know what I'm saying? Continue to watch.
All right. Riley back again, 5150 fight wearers in the house. Eric Flair didn't have too much of a good night, but we got somebody here I think that's going to do pretty well tonight. He's Fallen Angel's partner here. His name is, last name is Dominguez. Dendunit. That's his nickname. He's getting taped up right now over here with Angel. So what you expect tonight, man? We here supporting you. We out here watching it go down. What you got planned, bro?
I expect to win.
Of course.
I'm gonna just do my thing, bro. You know, I'm here. I'm ready. I've been training. So, you know, just gonna go out and do what I do, man. You know, whatever happens, win or lose, I'm gonna put on a good fight. You know, and make it happen.
Gotcha. You somewhat of Angel's protege, right?
Yeah.
All right. Angel been giving you any tips or anything in the gym?
Yeah, he been telling me I better win. No, he always gives me good tips, you know what I mean? Always gives me good strategy, good everything, you know what I mean? All Team Stockton, everybody from Team Stockton, Manny, Torres, everybody, you know, Mike, Matedny, you know, Sean,
right on.
My boy Emilio, everybody been helping me, been kicking my ass in the gym, so I hope I don't get beat up too bad tonight.
Cool.
But, you know, I'm gonna do my thing, you know?
All right. Hey, can you, right now, since we got everybody here real quick, can you just give us a brief rundown on your men that you got here real quick?
Yeah, this is Manny, the guardian. Wrapping my hands, this is Mike Matedny, boxing coach. Boy, Emilio, sparring partner. My coach, MMA coach, Angel. We got the kickboxing coach here, Sean. You know, this is what we do, you know, this is my squad, you know what I mean? They helping me out, support me, boy.
I hear you. Real quick, how long have you been in the fight game? How long have you been doing this, man?
I've been training a long time. Fighting, I took it seriously about 2 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah, I took, you know, just
cool.
trying to make it happen.
I hear you, man. We're going to get with you after the fight. I'm sure we're going to be back here celebrating, so,
I hope so.
It'll be all good.
Yeah,
I just want to get a few words with Angel. Angel, what you think your boy's going to do? I know you're going to say he's going to lay it down, right?
He's going to put it down, you know what I mean? Because Team Stockton, they known for their grappling prowess, but you know, we got the branch off the Goon Squad. We know for the striking prowess, so that's what we going to do. You know, Manny, everybody been putting it on them jiu-jitsu wise. I've been putting it on that striking wise, so now they going to take the ass whoopings like him and put it upon somebody else's ass. Hopefully get that knockout, you know. Yeah, knockout. No, I want to see a knockout. I want to see a submission. You know, do his thing. I've been having him on a real strenuous cardio workout. You know, I never get tired. I want to see him do the same and put it on there. You know what I mean? They got to plug his sponsors.
Oh, sponsors. Let's get the sponsors out there.
DNA
Extreme.
RealFarmNames.com.
RealFarmNames.com.
Torres Pacific Coast.
Torres Pacific Coast Martial Arts, Goon Squad, baby. That's how we do.
All right. Ooh, that's it. 5150, but out here with the Goon Squad. Goon Squad representing. So that's a wrap. We get back to you. Oh, go ahead.
Earthly Delights, win, my man. Thank you for the food. Appreciate you.
Right on. That's good looking at. All right.
I tried, man. I really tried. We fought, you know.
You gave Callan effort, bro.
Yeah.
I thought you done hella good.
Yeah, split decision, man, but it's all good.
All right, right on. All right. Talk to us, bro. Talk to us, man.
Man, I don't know what happened. He wasn't tired. He wasn't listening to anything. My voice gone, so I can't be hyped. But he wasn't listening to and applying what he's done. He was acting like it was a wrestling match, and he wasn't being confident in his techniques, you know? Because when he hit the guy, he almost knocked him out. In the last round, finally when he listened, one hit, he almost knocked him out, and then he started shooting in on him. He started going against what I told him to do, and it was just, you know what, the first pro fight, he'll learn though, so I'm gonna go talk to him like, ooh.
All right, you got one of the best teachers here in the house, so you know he's gonna go to school. Boy, I already know he's gonna do it.
I'm gonna check out my witness.
Thanks, man.
All right, thanks.
5150, once again.
Hey, yo, boy. You know I'm here. I'm always here. That 5150, that TNT, that purple elephant, you know what I'm saying? We do it big. And then I'm going to get in more with this living entertainment, and it's all good. So everybody, keep watching. Keep watching. I ain't done. I'm going to tell you, I ain't done.
We will be here forever. Do you understand? Forever. Forever and ever and ever and ever. We will be here forever. Do you understand that? Get what I'm saying? Forever.